To clean the sensors on your Tikom L8000, first of all, the solution that we'll be using is the standard LCD cleaner. I wouldn't recommend anything with the alcohol, as this could damage your paint or just the sensors anyway. And use the LCD cleaner, that is the recommended way. Now we're gonna grab a fabric towel and then spray some of that LCD cleaner on it, not too much so it's not soaking with it. Now to find all of the sensors, we have one right here, and one right here. Then there's also the front sensor, but we're gonna clean it as a last step. So now just grab that towel and try to clean those sensors like this. Okay, so the sensors are clean. Now we can move to the front one. So as you can see, there's a sensor right here, and we also can use the same solution. So just grab that towel and then clean it. You don't even need to clean it dry. Use anything to dry it out, as it will dry very fast as it's LCD cleaner solution. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.